A message for the following county: North Cass, Minnesota. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 5 and 7 inches. Where? Crow Wing, Aitkin, Cass, and Itasca counties. This includes the tribal land of the Bois Forte Band, Deer Creek area, and the Mille Lacs Band, East Lake, and Big Sandy Lake areas. When? From 6 a.m. Tuesday to noon Central Standard Time Wednesday. Impacts: travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the Tuesday morning and evening commutes. Additional details: a corridor of locally higher snowfall amounts are possible somewhere in the warning area. Blustery winds gusting up to 35 miles per hour may result in areas of blowing and drifting snow. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Call 511 or visit www.511mn.org for Minnesota road information.